Good day, I'm John Mark Napa. I'm the president and founder of Solar Hope. Solar Hope is a non-profit organization that aims to provide solar and sustainable solutions to marginalized communities here in the Philippines. These communities are highly dependent on kerosene lamps and car batteries, so solar is a very good solution for their energy access. The way Solar Hope approaches communities is not just one-time event. So when we adopt communities, solar energy or energy access is just our entry point. And then it will be a series of communications and consultations with the community together with our partners to have joint collaborative efforts in their other needs as well. In terms of this project, the other need that we want to address is their quality education. So we want to solve this through also lighting their schools with solar-powered Starlink and ICT facilities for their digital learning. Solar Hope's vision is that all communities in the Philippines have energy access and that no one, no community is left behind.